On 4/10/2021, your boy, Sneakerhead on a Budget, took an L. It's not really that dramatic because I've been taking L's for years now. It's been rare for me to cop an actual release.
How, Sway?
And I know if you've seen that previous video before, your boy got lucky with that. And with this one, somebody actually came through. This is a huge shout out to Bleacher Report Kicks, BR Kicks. I thank you guys enough. Let's get into the video.
One pair to wear, one pair on ice. Aftermarket speculation will surely hike up the price. Call that all in the plans. Feeling like Mike with the ball in my hands. Swear to God.
So what's good, guys? It's your boy Sneakerhead on a Budget, one of the hardest working sneakerheads on YouTube. Go give me a like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the algorithm because YouTube be keeping a brother down. Damn! But we're gonna get into it. So the Toro Bravos release was just as hectic as the other release. Your boy wasn't able to cop it anywhere, any raffles in the store, online. I missed. Everybody missed. My wife missed. Everybody missed. We all tried, and we couldn't cop. I voiced my frustrations about it, and guess who came with the save? Bleacher Report Kicks. I definitely want you guys to get on that forum, the Bleacher Report app. This isn't sponsored. Just want to show some love to them. Definitely jump on the app. Definitely get in the kick section. Definitely talk about sports too. If you're a sports guy, gotta talk about everything up in there. But definitely jump in because on the app is where they blessed your boy with a pair. So we're gonna go ahead and get this unboxing going. And you know, your boy like to, you know.
Boy, if you don't get...
I gotta stop doing that actually. But we're gonna go ahead and get this unboxing. Let's do it. Again, shout out BR Kits for coming through. Your boy, appreciate them. You not be too crazy. I don't want to cut nothing. And shout out to them. Ooh, look at that box. Shit. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that box. Oh, this is nice, nice, nice. Check that out, guys. This is really dope. I like when they do creative boxes like this because it's really cool. It definitely makes me keep the boxes and just like, I just love when they do something extra. I don't know. I like the little things. I don't know about you. Do you guys like the little things? Leave me something in the comments if you guys are. I like when the paper is different for some reason. When the box is different for some reason. Because I don't know, it makes me want to collect the box even more. But let's jump into the actual shoe though. Oh, look at this. So they got it from StockX. Shout out to the tag. All right, we got this on here. Appreciate them. Woo, 100% authentic. Shout out to that. Oh, look at that. Look at the little bags. My wife would probably appreciate that. Look at that. And it says it has the whole StockX thing in the back. I put that right there. That's really dope. I've never ordered from StockX or anything, so it's kind of cool to kind of see what's inside these boxes. And see they have a little tag here. Oh, it gives you the whole breakdown and everything, the condition. Wow. Okay, StockX got the little receipt right there. I see. I see. Let's go. See, even the paper has a little design. I'm telling you, I'm a sucker for the. I just took a peek. Let's go ahead and dive in, boy. Woo!
Damn!
Look at that. That is fire. Oh, look at that thing. Now, if you've been watching the channel, I did a review on the youth pair to see if it had the same quality, and the youth pair was pretty nice. I loved these. I love the colorway, and I did a video on this last year about this release, so you know I had to get it. Yes, I'm cutting this off. This is not a flex, people. This is not a flex. Don't wear the StockX tag on your shoe, and you can buy these off eBay and put them on shoes. So don't do that. But this right here is just super dope. Again, shout out to BR Kicks for holding your boy down, for hooking it up. I've had a worse time with sneakers. Sneakers app, Finish Line, Foot Locker, everything. I cannot cop, and this month has been a real blessing. I'm not even gonna lie. I got more secrets to show you guys about other stuff that are coming in that is also bestowed upon me for blessings. So I can't wait to share those with you guys as well. Definitely putting this content on for you guys because your boy actually can cop his shoe and show you to you. So this look, that's crazy, right? Looking at that, the bottom is icy blue. That's nice. That's nice. And look at that. Oh, the color and everything is just good. Now, the one thing I'll say about this shoe that has been said before is the red is a little light. Kind of looks different in my camera. I can see it right there. It kind of looks really different. But the red is a little light. So what your boy might have to do is your boy is probably going to dye these a little darker. We'll see in the coming weeks. I might just dye them, just so I can get them a little bit darker. But aside from that, man, look how clean these are. I'm looking for anything to complain about. I can't. I always got to sniff it at one time. The new shoe smell is always lit. I think I'm gonna keep the red laces in. I know a few people who definitely changed it up with black laces, which is fine. Some people want white laces, which definitely accents everything, makes it look cool. So let me pull up this other shoe right here so I can leave it as a. Hold on, I'm struggling. This box is massive. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's on X Games mode. Let's close this up. There you go. Ta-da! So definitely, guys, the shoe is pretty good. Like I'm deeply impressed. Definitely gotta. Definitely again, it's just the suede. I will like it a little bit darker, so I'm definitely gonna do that. Definitely excited about these. My little one got a little thing, so now we both are gonna stunt. We both are gonna stunt on her. She's afraid to wear her pair because she doesn't want to mess it up. But you gotta wear your kicks. It's wear your kicks movement out here, y'all. That's what we finna do. We finna wear these kicks. So this is definitely dope, man. I'm loving these. I can't wait to put these on feet, cause you know how your boy do. But definitely, guys. So my question to you guys: Did you guys cop the Toro Bravo Raging Bull? Did you guys do any of that? How do you guys feel about these? Are you guys gonna dye them? What else are you guys gonna do? Did you even cop these? Are you planning to cop these in the future? It seemed like the resale price went down a little bit from the initial response, so it's good for everybody who wants to cop them right now. I'm not sure if they're gonna jump up or anything, but looking at these, man, I like the quality a lot. I mean, I do see a little glue work right here, but that's not nothing strange to Nike. Looking at that, doesn't smell like glue. No, smell good. Smell like shoe. So definitely about to add these to the rotation and to the outfits. You know how your boy do. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you again, BR Cakes. Don't forget to check out their forum. Thank you guys so much for this giveaway. Thank you. Your boy needed a win bad, and you guys, because of you guys, my luck kind of changed. And so I give y'all the credit, and I do appreciate y'all. Thank you again. And I'll see you guys next video. I got some more surprises coming to you guys your way. Definitely check that out. And definitely check out the CV Soul page for anything that I'm selling. I do have the link tree in the bottom so you guys can check out the Mercari or the eBay app. Gotta plug that in there. So your boy is going to make this money and work from home. You feel me? So definitely, guys, I do appreciate everything. BR Kicks, again, I can't keep not thanking you guys for coming through with these, and I appreciate it so much. Peace out, Budget Fam. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.